53, secondary boys 100 meters breaststroke. Swimmer in lane number 1, Asido Yuglay of MIS. Lane 2, Esteban John Muslim of MIS. Lane 3, Nado Gonzales of Asido. Lane 4, Garcia John Raymond of MIS. Lane 5, Mark Aaron Antilla of GSCS. Calling the attention of our swimmers for event number 55, secondary boys 1,500 meters freestyle. Please proceed to our residential area. Thank you.